What do you do with your USB cables, your pens and pencils and other gear? Do they end up at the bottom of your bag where you can't find them when you need them? Today I'm going to show you 8 different gear pouches from Bellroy, Waterfield, Bihn, Quill, and Zerogrid. Let's get to it. First up is the Electronics Travel Organizer and Tech Dopp from Zerogrid. It's available in black or silver, and as you can see, I have the black version. This gear pouch is 9 by 4.5 inches in size, and it is made of water-resistant ripstop nylon. The pouch has a wraparound zipper with a paracord pull that opens the pouch like a book to reveal 2 panels of elastic straps and a zippered pocket between them. The elastic straps and the zippered pocket let you customize how you want to organize your gear. You can use them to hold flash drives, cables, and even pins. And since both sides of the panels have elastic straps, it can hold a lot of gear. The Zerogrid Electronics Travel Organizer and Tech Dopp will easily keep your small items neat and organized. And at only $24.95, it's a bargain when you consider that it comes with a lifetime guarantee. Next up is the Bihn Snake Charmer, and no, I'm not making up that name. This pouch is available in a variety of colors and either Cordura like you see here or ripstop nylon. The Snake Charmer features a web loop on the side and top along with a carabiner on the other side so you can easily grab it from your main bag. There are 2 zippered compartments that each have a plastic ring that you can use to attach small items, but the main feature of the Bihn Snake Charmer pouch is the see-through mesh panels that let you easily see what's inside the bag. This pouch is priced at $25 to $30. The Quill TechFolio Classic Cord Organizer is a leather and canvas folding wrap style gear holder that features full grain leather construction that looks nice when it's brand new, but it will look even better after it's gotten some scuffs and scratches on it. The folio is held closed with a strap and button type of closure, which you may or may not like. Personally, I am not a big fan of it because it requires too much effort to use. Inside the folio are 3 canvas slots with strap and button holders on top, a dedicated Apple pen slot in the center, a zippered canvas pocket in the back, and 2 SD card slots. The Quill TechFolio Classic Cord Organizer looks great if you're into rugged gear, but it really isn't designed to hold that many items, and the $80 price tag is something else to consider. Next up are the Waterfilled Designs Gear Pouch and Tech Pocket. First, let's look at the gear pouch, which is available in 3 sizes and colors. I opted to try the smallest version in a brown wax canvas that has a great look and feel that will only get better as you use it. The gear pouch features a zippered pocket on the front that has Waterfield's iconic gold liner that makes it easy to see the items inside, and a wraparound zipper gives you access to the main compartment, which has 4 slots that you can use to organize your small items. The gear pouch is small, but it can surprisingly hold quite a few items, which makes it one of my all-time favorites. Then we have the Waterfield Tech Pocket, which is only available in one size in either black ballistic nylon or the same brown wax canvas as the gear pouch that I just showed you. Like the gear pouch, the Tech Pocket has a zippered pocket on the front that has the gold lining. But instead of a zippered main compartment, the Tech Pocket has a magnetic closure. The interior is lined in a soft dark plush material that provides some padding and protection. You can buy one for $49. Now we have the Bellroy Classic Pouch and Pencil Cases. First, let's look at the pencil case and the larger pencil case plus. The smaller pencil case is priced at $39 and comes in 4 colors. It's a simple, zippered, tube-shaped canvas pouch that is sized to hold pens and pencils, but it can be used for all sorts of small items. Then the larger plus-size version is $6 more and is slightly bigger to hold more gear. The $49 classic pouch is made of the same canvas material as the pencil cases, but it has a larger clamshell type form, with a wraparound zipper that has a leather pull tab. Inside the pouch is a roomy storage area with large open top pocket on one side and 2 stretchy pockets on the other side. Although the Bellroy pouches are simple, I really like them because they don't have features that get in the way. They are designed to hold your gear easily and simply, just the way I like it. I like all the pouches I've shown you here, but if I had to pick favorites, I think I'd go with the Waterfield gear pouch and the Bellroy pouches, just for their simplicity, look, and feel. But all of these are good choices depending on your needs.